This is a Williams-Sonoma fancy, expensive little set.
Mix that Negro with that Creole, make your taxes better. I like my baby having afros. I like my baby having afros.
Hi, welcome. How's it going? So today we are doing a grown AF homeware haul, home decor haul, home haul of some sort. So I recently moved, and as I feel like I've said literally a million times,
Oh Lord. Again. A fucking again.
but I recently moved, and so in this move I decided to kind of change up my style a little bit, change up what I was doing decor wise and functionality wise, and just kind of step my game up, you know, like go from my first apartment to grown woman apartment.
I showed it!
You know, that's kind of the vibe I've been going for a little bit. So let's just get on into it. I was so hype over this item. So I've been researching like terracotta room decor, like bedroom decor, and because I was having such a hard time deciding how I wanted to decorate my bedroom, and even in my last apartment I just couldn't really put my finger down on what I wanted until I came across this photo on Pinterest. Actually, let me show you the photo. This photo on Pinterest, and it had this beautiful terracotta bedding, and I found it. So this is a linen pillowcase from I Love Linen, and of course it's linen, so it is going to kind of wrinkle and wear with use, but it is so pretty. Look how gorgeous the color looks even against me. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. So all I've done so far is this brand, I Love Linen, is based in Australia. So I knew it was going to be really tricky to kind of send it back or whatever if I didn't like it. And also I know their policies are really strict. So like if you take it out the packaging, then you can't return it anyway. So I was just kind of like, all right, let's baby step into it, because linen is not cheap. So I was like, let me baby step into it and start off with 2 pillowcases. So that's what I bought. They were $26 each, something like that. They weren't super cheap for pillowcases at all. Neither was shipping. So it was kind of an investment for some freaking pillowcases, but the color is beautiful. And I think pretty soon Joseph and I are going to kind of take a further leap into getting either the quilt that goes on top or the matching sheets that go with it, because we are loving these pillowcases. They stay cool all night long. They're comfortable. The color makes me so happy on the inside. But I'm pretty sure shipping was like $25, and that's nothing to scoff at. So not to mention just the price of the product. So I really wanted to test it out, but I Love Linen, you get an A+ from this girl. I got this cute little cork holder that says put a cork in it, and it's basically but anyway, you put some corks in it. It's basically like when you and company or somebody kind of goes through a bottle of wine. It's just kind of like you put a cork in here to remember each bottle of wine, you know, like it was time shared, good times, all of that. So there's only 1 cork in here, and it's a metal cork. And I figured a lot of wines that I drink have metal tops on them. So, you know, that counts. I'm not gonna discount it just because it's not a cork still, you know? And of course, you can't have wine without wine glasses. This is one of the most adult things I think I've ever purchased. And that's saying a lot given this whole haul, okay? These are gorgeous. Do you see like the shape? You can see my light, oh my God. But can you see like the shape? They're kind of just big fat bulbs. They're really big red wine glasses with long stems. There is, of course, a tag on the bottom because I'm a heathen, clearly. These get used all the time. If not to drink wine, then it's to drink water or something, because we don't run our dishwasher all the time, so sometimes you gotta resort to the wine glasses. Okay, I said it, whatever. And it's from Williams-Sonoma. I will put the link to the exact set down below. I'm pretty sure the set of this was like $65, $75 for 6 of them.
Wait a damn minute.
Exactly. That's why I said this was an adult purchase. This was not no $3 per glass that you get from Home Goods. That's not what this is. This is a Williams-Sonoma fancy, expensive little set. If you buy them individually, they are $14 each. Bruh. So these are some reusable K-Cups that I got from Amazon. And they are just a little worn in right now, as you can see. It just helps you actually drink the coffee that you want to drink without relying on the K-Cups that they sell individually. Also, like, one-time use K-Cups are so bad for the environment. So this just came in a pack of 4 and I use them all the time. All you do is pop it open and put a few scoops of coffee until it hits the top, and then you close it back up. Pop it in your Keurig and you are good to go with your favorite type of coffee. And speaking of coffee, like that little segue. Speaking of coffee, I found the cutest set of coffee tea sugar canisters on Amazon. This is just black. It's like metal. I think this is made out of metal. And it just has like a printed T on it with that same wooden top that matches the wooden top of my tea kettle. You're seeing a theme here? I think you're seeing a theme here. So here's the one for my tea. For sugar, here's this one. This one's a little ratchet, I must say, because the sugar is like slightly off center. You know, like it should be like here, but instead it's here. But it doesn't bother me that much. And then I just keep my sugar in the raw in here. The last one I have is coffee, and I keep my black and bold coffee that I have featured in my Black owned business video. Is it bomb or is it not? I feature the coffee that I normally keep in here. So go watch that video if you haven't already. Okay, we're coming to a close, guys. We're almost at the end. So the next thing, if you don't have one of these, are you an adult?
I'm serious. Are you an adult?
If you don't have a key holder. So I got this from Home Goods. It's just a cute little wicker basket that we keep all of our just daily essentials that we pick up all the time. So we have some cash in here if we need to pick that up and just take with us. I keep my AirPods in here. Joseph keeps his wallet. We have all of our keys and just random stuff like that in here. We keep this right on our countertop, so when we're about to leave the house, we just pick up all our stuff and then we head out the door. And it's just a cute and like functional way to kind of keep all of your stuff in one place. And so you're not rummaging through drawers, you're not like freaking out if you're running late, like, oh my gosh, where are my keys? Your keys are always in this basket. So whether you keep this basket in a drawer or on a countertop or on a shelf or something, I feel like having a key holder that holds all of these miscellaneous items is essential. Next, we are delving into some Target basics, and I mean these adorable little lamps. So I bought this lamp. I have a set of 2 of them, but I wasn't about to hold both of them up. I have this set of 2 lamps that I got a year ago when I moved into my last apartment. It has this really gorgeous, like, dark wooden base. This isn't real wood. I don't know what the word for the fake wood is, but this is definitely fake wood, but it has a wood grain kind of texture and a linen lampshade to it. And it's just so beautiful. It's really tiny. This is a little shrimp of a lamp. Honestly, wherever you put it, it's not gonna make that much of a statement at all. It's just kind of, if you look at it, you're like, oh, this is like visually appealing, you know? But it doesn't draw your eye because they are so itty bitty. Like, this little thing is smaller than my head. That's how small this is as a lamp. Okay, So we got a little bit of repetition in here because I did just mention these art pieces in my Black-owned business haul, but I didn't really focus on the frames that those pieces of art were in. I have been obsessed with these frames. These frames are from Amazon. So I featured this art in my last video, so if you want to go hear the details about it, go ahead and watch that video. I feel like I've said that a million times in this video. Just go watch the other one. Don't argue. Just go watch it. But they are these, I don't know what to call this. Easel? No, it's not easel. I don't know what to call it. Ow. Oh no. So it just hangs by this dark brown string, and it is magnetic. So you have this piece of wood in the front, and you also have it in the back, and it goes on the top and on the bottom, and then you just kind of hang it wherever you want to hang it. And so I bought this for 3 pieces of art, and you can get them in various sizes, like no matter how big the art that you want to display is. So I got these little tiny clear command hooks, and I just hang them right off of that, and I know when I'm ready to pick up and move again, this will be super easy, and it was a super affordable way to hang prints. No regrets here. So if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!